Right. There's been a lot of talk on the Book of Faces. What my last video was all AI generated. Now I've got my two assistants, my cinematographer here, and my daughter. They are going to help me for once and for all prove what pain is in a mind. What I've done, all the professionals in Dordrecht are doing this at the moment. What I do is I read a book. And through the technique of internalizing your pain, I will not break my concentration when I'm reading. I've got the classic here, 3 Billy Goats graph. It's from Windpomp Lagrange. I'm going to read this book. It's probably the biggest book I've ever read in my whole life. I read it twice this afternoon. And you will see, you will not find a break in concentration. I'm telling you now, I could literally levitate with a concentration what is about. Pain is, in this house, pain is nie my baas jou papi. Now, right, we need to set this. Don't try this at home because this thing could go pear-shaped. Wait, no, my underpants is... Wait, all the professionals have a problem.
No, man, you're being morphy now.
Okay, I'm not being a morphy. Wait! No, you must go there.
Sissy, you have to wait until he reads. Go high, Sissy.
I'll tell you when. I'll go like this. In the valley by a river lived 3 happy billy goats. Lived aliases, man! I said wait for me.
Oh!
You can see that. Okay, it's not funny anymore. We're going to end right here. Let me tell you now. Don't get moved with one of these.